Life is made of fleeting moments, mga sandali ng puno ng saya, luha at pagmamahal. Sa Dalawang Studio, hindi lang kami kumukuha ng litrato. Binubuhay din namin ang alaala. Dahil bawat sandali, maalala. Saan nga ba nagsimula ang Dalawang Studio? Nagsimula ang Dalawang Studio sa isang simpleng pangarap. To preserve memories through the lights and stories. Mula sa maliit na konsepto hanggang sa isang studio na puno ng buhay. Naging tahanan ito ng mga kwento at mga pangarap. Para sa'yo, ano ang inspirasyon sa likod ng Dalawang Studio?
Simula kasi yung Dalawang Studio sa pagmamahal namin sa alaala. And gusto namin matulungan yung mga ibang tao na ma-preserve yung mga special na araw nila na okasyon sa maliit man or sa malaking bagay. And Dalawang means isang iglap pero panghabang buhay na yung epekto niya sa isang tao.
Ano nais mo o gusto mong maramdaman ng mga client niyo after shoot?
Well, gusto namin na maging komportable sila and maging masaya lang sila habang nag-shoot kami, gano'n. And ayaw namin na maging pilit or parang maging scripted yung magiging itsura or maging kalabasan ng photoshoot namin. And we hope na makikita ng mga clients namin yung totoong sila sa bawat picture, and we hope na alam mo yun, mag-uwi sila ng magandang story, hindi lang basta-bastang picture lang.
As a owner, what makes Dalawang unique from others?
Siguro yung pinagkaiba ng Dalawang Studio sa ibang studio is yung hindi lang kami basta nagtitake ng pictures ng kliyente or ng client. May binubuo rin kaming trust tsaka comfortability. Napaka-importante sa amin ng comfortability kasi gusto namin na maayos yung kliyente kapag umarap sila sa camera. Para pagka nakita nila yung result, hindi nila pagsisisihan na yung session na binook nila sa amin is hindi na sayang.
We offer not just photos. We capture the real moments. From a timeless self-portraits with a joyful shot with the friends. to the Pet Friendly Session, where furry friends are welcome. Each creative shot is made with care, heart, and touch of unique stories.
Sa totoo lang, ibang level eh. Hindi ko akalain na magiging emotional ako just from seeing the photos. The Waglit Studio captured me, not just my face.
Super comfortable lang ng shoot. Parang kaibigan ko lang yung nagkumuha ng picture. Hindi siya awkward, hindi siya scripted. Talagang it really showed who I am as a person.
In every moment, there is a meaning. In every memory, there is a light. Something worth to holding on to. At the Waglit Studio, we believe that every story, whether big or small, deserve to remember. This studio begins with friendship, passion, and shared dreams among us. The founder who abundant over our love for storytelling. To the photos, the band continues to grow. As a work together to capture your laughter, your love, and even a quiet in between. One story, one photo, one memory at a time. Beautiful preserved just for you. We invite you to be part of our story. Experience the warmth and creative of the Waglit Studio. Where your moments become a timeless memories. Book your session today. And let us help you capture the light in your life. Follow us on Instagram at The Waglit Studio to see more of our work and stay updated with our latest project.